So, sorry about that. So I just think that the wood just acclimated too much on its way here, and typically on an engineered floor, you don't want it fully acclimated because everything does swell and you'll never get it together. And so that's what happened. So it was just acclimated too perfect for the job site. So it just wouldn't go together. So we fought it. We fought it, everything. So, and then I monitored with my meters. I monitored the wood. Sat here for 2.5 weeks, stickered. Each row we had it stickered so it could breathe, but it was only three planks wide, 3 planks thick. Wasn't stacked like 5 or 6. It was only 3, so it would acclimate well. So unfortunately, I just think it just was acclimated to the site, and everything was just too swollen. So that's why they tell you on engineered floors, you know, sometimes they don't want you to open the boxes up. Yeah, so it can cause a problem. So on this one, we fought it. We fought it all the way. So I just had to rerouter the groove on every row, every board, just so it would accept the tongue. So we didn't make it any bigger. We just made it back to its 5/8, so it was just swollen a little too much. And I believe the tongue swelled a little bit. So we fought it. Anyways, that's what the floor is going to look like. I've monitored the wood since we've had it installed with the radiant, and there's no movement at all. No movement at all. A couple boards have shrunk maybe a little bit. More of your denser. I find that more of your denser wood, like this one here, the more tannins in it. You can tell it when you hold the board, it's heavier. So I've had a couple of those shrink a little bit, but other than that, it looks good. So I don't expect this floor to move at all. At all. So it's just a pain in the butt. 3 weeks, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. It's a lot of floor. Fought the whole thing. Straps, we use straps. Straps. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna do a couple things to the plugs over there. Got this cut out today. Festool track saw is the way to go. Anyways, so we've got a little bit of gap here. This wood is actually flush with that. So what we'll do is we'll cork it. I got some 1/2-inch cork. We'll rip the cork down, get it down in there, and we'll fill that up. No molding. So anyways, yeah. So I just, I've got some underlayment cork. I got 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. So yeah, so we'll cork that so it can expand and contract, which is really nice. So you don't end up with usually you don't end up with a gap. So anyways, everybody, hope your Friday is well, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.